got up this morning and we are heading to the Utah State Parade. We are meeting my friend and their family, Sway. And you might know them from a couple of our videos. And after the parade, me and Boston are going to Sway's last lacrosse game. Morning, Mom.
Good morning, baby. I was gonna say, did you tap on me to make sure it's in focus?
Yep.
Teaching Cody while he's young. Cody, you go brush your teeth. Lincoln, did you? Okay, go brush your teeth, hurry, and you need socks. I don't know if anybody even cares, but I did a refresh story on my highlight, like how to refresh your curls. So go to my Instagram, go to the highlight curl refresh, and I'll show you how I like refresh this. This is day 3 and there's like hardly any frizz, so I think it's working. Okay, gotta get my umbrella and my phone. That's really all I'm taking, I think. Everyone got their jackets and a bag. Lincoln, socks, again with the socks. You have to, oh, they're in the bag. Okay, great, great. Let's go.
Where's Olivia?
Can you walk towards the front door, please?
I know she's at.
Olivia, where is she, Code?
She is at, I think she's at the Pocatello Temple.
Yep, we have a new Pocatello Temple. And what do? So before
it's dedicated, the entire public is welcome to walk through them, which is really cool. And I remember my parents talking about that. I think we've walked through at least 3 together so far, and all of the kids except for Lincoln have walked through one.
Mm-hmm. We went through the Brigham City.
You were a little baby.
Yeah, you were a
Brigham
baby.
City and Ogden.
Oh yeah, when they rededicated the Ogden
I remember the
Temple.
one with the bowls in the pool.
They all have that.
Mm-hmm.
What's cool is that, so the Pocatello Temple is being done, but the Salt Lake Temple, like the Salt Lake Temple, is going to be able to be walked through again.
Oh, that's gonna be really
It's going to
neat.
be huge, so
It's gonna be huge.
You should come check that out in like a year.
Lincoln's jacket's inside out. We're gonna help him with that. We almost had a mini meltdown because he thought this
Put your
was
boots on.
the school. Come on, I'll keep going. He thought this was the Halloween parade, and he's like, "Wait, I gotta get my costume." I was like, "No, this is not that kind," and he had some major tears. But you know what? We quickly snapped out of that because we realized that's next week.
Yeah, it's on Friday.
Daddy got you your
other
boots
sleeve.
on,
Your other
like
sleeve.
mommy. We're gonna wear our rain boots.
Excuse me, here.
Like us 3. Sorry, you two.
They make, I think, a kid's one of these, but they don't make the fun colors.
I know.
It's like, what?
Oh, the rain. It's kind of bad. I mean, I did just refresh my hair. Let's go. I'm sorry. Look at that mountain behind the truck. Oh, it's so cute. No, I don't need a jacket. I'm fine.
We have a strict TikTok policy that the kids can only see the ones that mom has approved, and they can pre-watch.
It's just like a cute puppy video. Did you guys think that puppy was cute?
So long.
Don't worry about us.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
That's the kind you're supposed to bring down on your face, right?
I don't know. Cody, you gonna come in with us? Lincoln decided he found shelter outside of the umbrella. Look at so good. He was shaking the tree.
Making it rain.
He's complaining he's freezing out here, but yet he finds a tree and shakes all the water on him. You know, it's fine. You live, you learn.
Yep, YOLO.
Our boys were like crying and complaining that it was getting rainy and cold until their friend showed up. Now they're in the middle of the street, no umbrella, getting soaked, and they're just as happy as can be.
How you kids doing? Here we go.
Wave your arm, honk your arms for him, pump your arms. Yeah, corral baby
He's not
anymore.
a baby anymore.
No more Tootsie Rolls.
No more Tootsie Rolls.
Okay.
How frozen
My
are you?
fingers are not working. My fingers are not working. They are so froze.
Hot chocolate time. Did you get enough candy?
All right. Should we see the size of the bag? And this is Lincoln's. The other boys is way more full.
Oh my golly.
I have so many gummy bears and gummy shake packs. It's like,
Do you want to hear the mantra I've been telling myself the entire parade? Sorry, my mouth is froze. I eat food that nourishes my body. I don't need or want to eat sugar. That's what I've been telling myself this whole parade, because I'm like, I want this candy, but I'm not gonna do it. I am not gonna do it.
I've been saying the same thing.
As you pull out a crumble cookie. Boy, howdy.
oh, it's gonna be so sad.
Maybe you guys can share with her.
Yeah.
Of course, that would be really nice.
I gotta cry, baby.
How cool does Old Maine look up there? That's a cool picture. That's beautiful. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm just sitting on my street. How gorgeous is this? Absolutely, no lie, my favorite part of rainy, overcast weather is turning on mood lamps. It's just, there's nothing better. Tell me something better. Not gonna lie though, I feel like Joel is an old man with his like old school licorice taffies by his bed. I'm sorry, I didn't see you standing there.
Did you steal my candies?
No, I didn't.
I got those from the pharmacy, thank you.
All right, bed, I'm gonna be thinking about you until 7 o'clock at night.
Do you think he knows I think about him all day?
You're coming home with me. Lady and I had the same idea, didn't we? Both standing over the heater vent. We have gone through 2 giant things of hot chocolate. 4 pounds! A total of 4 pounds of hot chocolate.
And I bought 6
The children have. Joel and the children. I haven't had 1 cup of it.
Yes, now, baby.
You know,
Lots of tea.
you know, that is true. I have had herbal tea. Yep. Do you want to know what satisfied my craving? I went through the kids' bags and I handpicked the best of the best. And they were, I did, and they were so sweet to me. Honeys, you were willing to let me take some treats.
Hey, son, you got your coat? Yeah. You're right.
Well, hold on. Listen, you can't take a wet hoodie. Sorry, let me go back to what I was saying. Excuse me. I took all the candy and I put it in my room and I'm having it later. I mean, I don't know when I'm gonna have it, but just knowing that I got to select the yummy treats, put them in my room, I'm like, okay, that actually, like, I feel better. Is that weird?
No, I think that's a totally normal thing.
When I couldn't have any sodium and I wasn't having any treats at all, or like any sugar, I'm trying to kind of get back to that diet. That was like really, I felt my best when that's what I was doing. But anyway, I'm trying to kind of get back to that. But when I would go to the grocery store, I would buy candy or I would buy cookies, and it satisfied me just at the thought of like the excitement of buying it or having it, but I wouldn't even eat it. Mm-hmm. I mean, that is so mental.
No, because the same thing is like a lot of people who drink soda religiously, they still want to go to the gas station and get a soda, but if they just go and fill up their water and walk out,
Like a fountain water?
Yeah, they feel just as satisfied. It's like it takes care of it.
Yeah, we're watching Little Giants. The 2 boys are gone. Olivia's gone. And you know, we've just got this little man, don't we? We just got this little man. We're hunkering down in the basement with the fireplace on while it rains. But, you know,
And I eat my candy.
yep, he's been eating his candy. He's been very willing to share. However, Jill and I are, you know, we're famished. He's pretty full on candy over here, but we're famished. So I'm gonna need some food, some nourishment. If I've refrained from sugar all day, I need nourishment nourishing food. That's what mommy needs.
Don't let me forget about Tootie. She's here too.
Got groceries for tomorrow so that we can eat. Doesn't this look so good? We're gonna make a breakfast casserole. What on Earth magazine? Oh my goodness.
I would like to get everything on this page. This, and this. The second I get it, I've been playing with it. Jumping thingy and the money maker.
A money maker?
Yeah. And the roller coaster, Lego set. And the bow and arrow and target. And the zombie shooter. Too. I want this.
Is this the first time you've seen a toy magazine in your life?
Yeah. And I would like to get this.
Kids don't know what Toys R Us is.
I would like to get this. And this.
What is it?
I don't know what this is. I'll get this.
I don't know what it is, but I sure want it.
And this.
Have you made it through the whole book?
I like this and this.
Who farted?
Daddy.
Look at that, it's a little engine.
Look at this.
Oh, that's fun.
And this.
Those are rock thunder.
And I would like this. I like this.
Oh, that's cool.
I want to get the money.